Learning how to trade from a Wall Street market wizard using algorithms and structure. To the untrained eye, it looks messy. To the trained eye, it allows precision. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I have Eric's commentary. This is Eric's Discord channel, Eric from Spydaytrading. He starts off the morning giving us instructions, what to look out for, and simple rules and principles of day trading. 8 minutes into the trading day, he's already identified some algorithms. He's giving you live commentary. There's no bias when Eric comes into the market. Nobody knows what's going to happen on any given day. So what he teaches is to prepare for all scenarios. That way there's no surprises. A bullish setup, a bearish setup, and the algorithms are already identified. Now, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to scroll down and we're going to look at Eric's trades. He took 2 trades this morning. There's a screenshot. I'm going to post the chart. 942 was his entry. The algorithms are already identified. It's the break of the orange. He takes his entry. 943, 1 minute later, he starts scaling out. He trims 2 times, 943. And this is what I want to show you, the precision. At 945, he stopped out of his runner at $8.60. If you know about contracts and options, SPX, this is $860 per contract. He got in at $870 per contract. He has a 10-cent stop loss. There's nobody on YouTube, there's no influencer who trades with this type of precision and tight stop loss. The structure, the setup was invalidated. His runner was closed. Minimal damage on the runner, but he's already in profits because he protected his trade. The second trade, as you can see, here's his entry at 1020 on the break of magenta algorithm, and he trims out at 1024, a second tranche at 1024, at 1026, and then he has a runner left, which doesn't close out until 1033. This is what the algorithms and structure and precision allow you to trade. 2 trades, and again, if you're trading a minimum, let's say 10 contracts, he's putting on $8,000 per trade. If he's trading 20 contracts, obviously double that, $16,000 per trade. When you're trading big size, big dollars, you want to have precision. A 10-cent stop loss is precision trading.